Welcome to your step-by-step guide on transferring data from an old computer to a new PC. I'm Daniel, your guide from West LA Computer Expert. Upgrading your PC isn't just about new technology, it's about enhancing your efficiency, security, and enjoyment. New PCs are faster, support the latest apps, and improve security. Before transferring, prepare your old PC. Back up your data, close unnecessary apps, and disconnect unused peripherals. Choosing the right tools is crucial for a successful transfer. Depending on your needs, you might use data transfer software like Acronis or a simple Windows transfer cable. Start by connecting your external storage to the old PC. Ensure it's recognized and has enough space for your data. With the storage ready, use your chosen software to start the data transfer. It's important to keep the original directory structure. To ensure data integrity, use techniques like checksum or hash verification, confirming accurate file copies. Keep your old PC plugged in and avoid using it during the transfer to prevent any data corruption. Once your data is securely copied to the external device, it's time to transfer it to your new PC. After transferring, verify each file and folder on your new PC. You can use software checks or manually review important files. Now, organize your files on the new PC. Declutter and arrange your digital space to boost performance and productivity. Troubleshooting is essential if you encounter issues like unrecognized drives or data corruption. Always ensure your drivers are up to date. For connectivity issues, try using different ports or cables, and check if the problem resolves. If you're looking for efficiency, consider network transfers or cloud solutions for managing larger datasets or regular backups. These methods not only save time but also add layers of security to your data management practices. Remember, transferring data between computers can seem daunting, but with the right preparation and tools, it becomes a smooth process. Thanks for following this guide. Here's to a successful setup of your new PC and a seamless transition of your data.